I will be showing you how to make 2 Halloween cards. Happy Halloween!
So guys, for the first type of Halloween card, I'm gonna be making a one-eyed monster. So if you're making this, you need some glue, googly eyes. Since I'm making a one-eyed monster, I only need one of these. A pen. You can use some felt sheets. I am using felt sheets because they're soft and easy to cut, but you can also use origami paper, any colored paper, or you can just take some normal paper and color it in. I'm also going to be using a green colored paper for the actual part of the card and some felt tip pens for coloring. So the first thing I will do is I'll take my card and fold it in half like that, flip it, and this is going to be the front of my Halloween card, and you can open it like that. So now I'm going to use some red felt for the actual body of the monster. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to draw a circle which I will cut. Now this is the body of my monster. My monster's like arms and legs is gonna be drawn on with a red pen. So I don't need to cut excess felt for the arms and legs. Now I'm going to take my googly eyes. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back so that I can stick it. Now I'm going to take my pen and draw a little smile. So it looks like that now. Now I'm going to take white felt for the teeth. I'm going to cut 2 teeth to put on top of its mouth so that it looks a bit scary. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my coloring pen and I'm gonna draw arms and legs. Monster is done. It looks really cute and creepy. Oh, I forgot the horns actually. Yeah, I forgot to do the horns. So I'm just gonna draw some horns on there. It's really cute. So now I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna write Happy Halloween in a scary font. So this is what my card looks like now. I just have one last thing to do. In the background, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw some ghosts and bats to make it more spooky. It goes just crazy, the eye. So this is what you can do if you want to make a Halloween card for someone. It is super fun and really easy as well. So I hope you enjoy making this. Now we will move on to the next card. So guys, now for the next and final card, I'm gonna be making a spider card. It's gonna be really scary and with additional stuff on it. So the things you'll need to make this is some yarn. I'm gonna be using black color today because it looks really spooky but really creative at the same time. I'm gonna be using a pencil. You can use a pen or pencil, your choice. Next, I'm gonna use pipe cleaners. This is a sort of wire, and if you like fold it or like shape it like that, it stays like that until you unbend it. These are really fun to use, and I'm going to be making the spider legs with these. You also need glue, scissors, any single color of felt. I'm going to be using blue, dark blue, and for my card I'm going to be using a plain white sheet. And if you want as well, you can use color pens again to draw some extra stuff on the back. So let's start by folding the paper in half. Okay, so now that you're done, the first step is really tricky to do. So what I'm gonna actually be doing is making a spider web in the corner there, and the spider will be in the middle. But the spider, I'm gonna be making the spider in the last step. So now this step is gonna be really tricky. So I'm just gonna measure my yarn. I'm gonna leave a little bit out, and I'm gonna make the outer shape of a spider web. So I will need up to around there. So I need this big of a piece for one of the like lines of a spider web. So now I'm gonna take my glue. I'm gonna like put some dots and I'm gonna put the thread on it. So okay guys, so now I have finished like putting the web on. The glue is still a bit wet, so I'm just gonna move on to the next step. Now I'm gonna make the spider. For the spider's head, I'm gonna take dark blue felt and I'm gonna draw a circle on it. The circle will be the spider's head. I don't need a big circle. This is not clearly visible, but there still is a circle. And now I'm gonna cut it. Now for another really fun part, the spider's legs. So I'm just gonna measure how much pipe cleaner I need. Okay, so let me cut it off. And I'm just gonna shape it a bit better. Some spiders have 10 legs, but for this, some spiders also have 8 legs, so this spider is gonna have 8 legs. So now I tried gluing the pipe cleaners a lot of times, but it won't stand. So what I've decided to do is tape it down. So legs look 3D and they are super scary as well. They look exactly like a real spider, but and it actually feels like one too because it's really soft, but it's not a real spider. So now I have finished taping the spider legs on, and after seeing this, I think it looks so creepy. I mean, it has 3D legs, it's furry, it's like a real spider only. It's looking really spooky. So now I thought that for the middle head part you can't see anything much because of the tape. So now again what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out another circle the same size as my spider's head, and I'm gonna stick it on top of the tape to make sure it looks nice. Spider. So I'm gonna write something that it says on 2 parts. So it's gonna be a joke. So the joke is gonna be, the spider will say first, "Did you hear it's Halloween?" And on the next speech bubble it will say, "I heard it on the web." That is funny because web, there's a web here, and webs are like connected to spiders. So I think that will look funny. So I'm just gonna write it out. Guys, so now my spider card is done, and I think it turned out awesome. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope that you made a fantastic card yourself. So these are the 2 cards that I made. I think they both look really cute, and someone would be really happy to receive a card like this. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.